So today we'll be talking about Hurricane Hillary. Yep, Hurricane Hillary. We are talking about Hurricane Hillary. So this is no joke. It's coming right like where I live, like San Diego area. So one natural disaster survival for the background. If you live around me, San Diego area, do not go outside at tomorrow, like afternoon. That's when the winds will come and the rain. You need to sacrifice the children. Everybody, the children in the basement are being sacrificed. So yeah, that's happening. Oh, and what a coincidence! It's a tornado. That's a coincidence. Okay, but seriously. Maui wildfires, Hurricane Hillary, back two natural disasters back to back. The end of the world is here. The end is near. The end is near. Happy home, not gonna be happy for long. This is in San Diego, because a hurricane's gonna freaking knock it down. Or more of a tropical storm, but okay, it's also not gonna knock it down. It's not that bad. It's still, just don't go outside, man. Just don't go outside. That is a mistake. Winds around like 2 inches. On 2 inches, are coming straight for here. And gusts of wind. And gusts of winds come. Deadly virus? Yeah, so that's all right now. Hurricane Hillary. Bye.